days away from Valentine's Day. Some people love it, some people hate it. I'm not really a Valentine's Day person, but I have been wondering, what do people who like to travel normally do on Valentine's Day? Since it's not really a holiday that caters to travel and global awareness, I decided to take matters into my own hands this year. My husband and I rarely do anything for Valentine's Day. We're not really Valentine's Day people. Sometimes we'll kind of make it like a date night, but we'll just stay home and watch a movie and eat popcorn, and that's about it. I feel like as a married couple, we should be able to express our love every day and not just one day of the year. So for like the eternity of our relationship, we've basically just ignored Valentine's Day. But now we have kids. And since they've gotten older, they kind of understand the concept of Valentine's Day, at least the basics of it, including chocolate, cards, and chocolate. So now we have to celebrate Valentine's Day. I went to the store and I bought the kids some Valentine's Day cards. The selection was pretty grim. There was a range of weird cartoon characters and anime shows that I'd never heard of. So we decided on Paw Patrol because my son just loves Paw Patrol. And my daughter chose a set with like puns and jokes just because there was a unicorn on the front. So as I was looking around the store, I realized there was nothing, no Valentines, that related at all to world travel, global awareness, culture, anything that if you're interested in travel, they would suit you. So I took it upon myself to create Valentines for Travelers. Since real Valentines creators don't actually put a lot of effort into their kits and only make about like 8 cards per box, I thought I'd just put forth the same amount of effort and creativity into my kit. And so, without further ado, here are my 8 Valentines for Travelers. This one's called Peruvian My Love for You. Peru is my ultimate dream destination, so I just had to include Peru in my cards. I can't wait for someone to be Peruvian their love for me and send me there. We are Borneo to be together. Ah, Borneo. Who doesn't love dangerous jungles and caves filled with backguano? If that doesn't say romance, I don't know what does. I wish you were mine. I'm half Irish, so this card is very fitting for me. Also, a ruined church and full graveyard are the height of romantic imagery. Hawaii, can't we be together? This card I made if you have an unrequited love. Give this card to your love and it could be the start of a beautiful relationship, or even better, a tropical vacation. I left my heart in San Francisco. Just kidding, it's yours. The famous saying goes that you'll leave your heart in San Francisco, but not if it already belongs to another. You have baggage claimed my heart. Who doesn't love a sexy reference to the baggage claim carousel of the airport? The frustration of delayed baggage, lost luggage claims, it all falls into place for a perfect romance. I want to tie the knot with you. Now this Valentine is for the more serious lovebirds. I've provided the ultimate in romantic ways to pop the question. Giving your loved one this card is the perfect way to become betrothed. And that's why I put no additional effort into making it. I'd fly United for you. Now if that's not true love, I don't know what is. So happy Valentine's Day, my fellow travel lovers. Feel free to use my worldly cards in your Valentine's Day giving. And if you're anything like my kids and I, just go eat some chocolate. If you actually did like my Valentines, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any of your own great travel pun Valentine's Day sayings, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Make sure you don't miss any more of my travel videos. Hit that red subscribe button.